Signs of alien presence on Earth through the lens of history. From the moment humans first looked to the skies and marveled at the infinite expanse of stars, one question has lingered in our collective consciousness. Are we truly alone in the universe? Across centuries and civilizations, tales of mysterious encounters, inexplicable phenomena, and astonishing achievements have sparked the belief that Earth may have been visited by beings from beyond the stars. Some of these mysteries lie within the ancient wonders of our world, monumental structures built with technologies and precision that seem to defy the capabilities of their time. Others appear in the myths and legends of our ancestors, who described celestial beings, flying chariots, and heavenly visitors with remarkable detail. Even in art and archaeological discoveries, puzzling symbols and artifacts seem to point to the possibility of extraterrestrial influence. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Throughout history, eyewitness accounts of strange objects in the sky and unexplained events have been recorded in documents and folklore, challenging us to reconsider the limits of human understanding. Could these signs be evidence of advanced civilizations reaching out to us? Or are they merely coincidences and misinterpretations of natural phenomena? Today, as we stand at the crossroads of science and mystery, these historical anomalies continue to fascinate and puzzle us. They not only stir our imagination, but also encourage deeper exploration into our past, pushing the boundaries of what we think we know about the universe and our place within it. In this journey through time, we will explore some of the most compelling signs that suggest the possibility of alien contact with Earth, and the tantalizing questions they leave in their wake. Mysterious ancient structures that defy explanation. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, stands as an architectural marvel that continues to baffle historians, engineers, and astronomers alike. How did the ancient Egyptians construct such a colossal structure with such incredible precision? Each limestone block, weighing several tons, was transported from quarries located miles away, a feat seemingly impossible given the tools of the time. The pyramid's alignment with the cardinal points of the compass and its position relative to celestial bodies only add to the enigma. Some theorists propose that the Egyptians might have been guided or even assisted by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, offering an explanation for this unparalleled engineering achievement. The Nazca Lines. On the Nazca Plateau in Peru lies another astonishing mystery. The Nazca Lines. Spanning hundreds of miles, these intricate geoglyphs depict everything from geometric shapes to detailed figures of animals and humans. What makes these creations extraordinary is their sheer scale. They can only be fully appreciated from the air, leaving researchers puzzled as to why and how they were made. Could the Nazca people have been attempting to communicate with celestial visitors? Some suggest these massive designs served as messages or even landing guides for extraterrestrial spacecraft, linking the artistry of ancient cultures to the possibility of alien encounters. These structures and designs challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations and their connection to the cosmos. Were these feats merely the result of human ingenuity, or do they hint at something far more extraordinary? The mystery continues to ignite the imagination of astronomers and explorers worldwide. Strange depictions in ancient art, mysterious UFO-like images in Renaissance paintings. Throughout history, artists have captured mysterious details in their works, sparking speculation about encounters with the unknown. One of the most famous examples is the 15th century painting Madonna and Child in Florence, Italy. In this piece, a peculiar disc-shaped object hovers in the sky above the Virgin Mary and baby Jesus. The object is so distinct that a man and his dog in the background are shown gazing directly at it, as if observing something extraordinary. Could this be an early depiction of a UFO? Or was the artist attempting to convey a celestial phenomenon beyond our understanding? The astronauts of Tassili Najar, hidden in the remote desert of Tassili Najar, Algeria, ancient rock paintings dating back thousands of years reveal another mystery. Among depictions of everyday life and wildlife, there are striking figures with elongated limbs, round helmets, and what appear to be suits resembling modern-day space gear. These enigmatic images have led some to wonder if the artists were documenting encounters with extraterrestrial visitors, or perhaps even immortalizing beings who guided them. Whether these artistic elements were inspired by imagination, celestial events, or actual encounters with beings from the stars, they fuel an ongoing fascination with the possibility that ancient civilizations may have had contact with something far beyond Earth. For astronomers and history enthusiasts, such artworks serve as intriguing puzzle pieces in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. Legends and ancient texts. Clues to alien encounters, the Vedic texts and the flying Vimanas. In the ancient Vedic scriptures of India, the Vimanas are described as celestial chariots used by gods to traverse the skies and even the cosmos. These flying crafts are said to be capable of interplanetary travel, equipped with technology that seems far beyond the capabilities of ancient civilizations. Detailed accounts in texts like the Mahabharata and Ramayana outline their mechanics, flight paths, and even potential energy sources. Such descriptions have led some researchers to speculate that the Vimanas might not be mythological, but rather evidence of advanced technology gifted or witnessed by extraterrestrial beings. The Dogon tribe and the mystery of Sirius. In the heart of West Africa, the Dogon people of Mali have long been a source of fascination for anthropologists and astronomers. This ancient tribe possesses an extraordinary understanding of the Sirius star system, including Sirius B, a dense white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye and only confirmed by modern telescopes in the 20th century. Even more astonishing, the Dogon claim their knowledge was passed down from nomos, aquatic beings who came from the stars. These star people, as the Dogon described them, allegedly shared their cosmic wisdom with the tribe's ancestors thousands of years ago. Whether seen as symbolic storytelling or genuine accounts of extraterrestrial contact, these ancient records challenge our perceptions of history. They spark the tantalizing question, could our ancestors have been witnesses, or even participants, in a broader cosmic narrative that we are only now beginning to rediscover? Mysterious artifacts in history, clues to advanced or extraterrestrial knowledge. The Baghdad Battery, ancient electrical technology? Discovered in Iraq in 1938, the so-called Baghdad Battery is a small, unassuming artifact that has puzzled scientists and historians for decades. Dating back over 2,000 years to the Parthian or Sassanid periods, this clay jar contains a copper cylinder and an iron rod, and when filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar or grape juice, it can produce an electric current. The implications of this discovery are profound, as the concept of electricity was believed to be entirely unknown during this era. Why would such an object exist in ancient times? Was it used for electroplating, medical purposes, or religious rituals? Or, as some theorists propose, could it be evidence of knowledge passed down from a more advanced civilization, or even extraterrestrial visitors? While mainstream archaeologists lean toward terrestrial explanations, the mystery of the Baghdad Battery continues to inspire debate and speculation. The Dropa Stones, a message from the stars? In 1938, in the remote mountains of Bayan Kara Ula, on the border between China and Tibet, researchers uncovered a cave filled with peculiar stone discs, now known as the Dropa Stones. Measuring about 12 inches in diameter, these discs are inscribed with tiny spiraling grooves that some claim to be a form of ancient writing. Early attempts to decode the text suggested it told the story of a spacecraft that crash-landed on Earth thousands of years ago, with its alien passengers, referred to as the Dropa, struggling to survive and eventually integrating with local human populations. The story, while captivating, remains highly controversial. Critics argue that there is little concrete evidence to support such claims, and many of the original artifacts have either been lost or remain inaccessible for further study. Nevertheless, the Dropa Stones are a tantalizing piece of the puzzle for those who believe that ancient civilizations may have had contact with extraterrestrial beings. A window into the unknown. Both the Baghdad Battery and the Dropa Stones offer tantalizing glimpses into the possibility of lost or advanced knowledge in ancient history. Are they remnants of forgotten human ingenuity, or do they point to interactions with beings beyond our planet? Regardless of the answer, these artifacts continue to challenge our understanding of the past, urging us to look deeper into the mysteries of our history and the potential role that extraterrestrial influence may have played. For now, they remain a source of fascination for archaeologists, astronomers, and anyone captivated by the idea that humanity's story may be far older and far more complex than we ever imagined. UFO phenomena in history. Echoes of the unknown. The Nuremberg event, 1561, a celestial battle in the skies. One of the most extraordinary UFO sightings in recorded history occurred on the morning of April 14, 1561, in Nuremberg, Germany. According to eyewitness accounts preserved in a contemporaneous broadsheet, a type of early newspaper, the skies above the city erupted in what appeared to be an aerial battle involving numerous mysterious objects. The event was so vivid and alarming that it was depicted in a detailed woodcut engraving by artist Hans Glosser, accompanied by an account of what transpired. The eyewitness accounts residents of Nuremberg reportedly observed a spectacle that began at dawn and lasted for about an hour. The broadsheet describes an array of circular objects, crosses, and long cylindrical shapes that emitted brilliant light as they moved erratically through the sky. The circular objects, often described as glowing orbs, seemed to clash with one another, engaging in what resembled a battle. The cylindrical shapes, often interpreted as motherships in modern UFO theories, appeared to release smaller orbs as the confrontation unfolded. Many witnesses claimed to see these objects exploding or crashing to the ground outside the city. The report described the scene as frightening and a sign from God, reflecting the prevailing religious and superstitious interpretations of celestial phenomena at the time. The aftermath. Following the event, many of the downed objects reportedly smoldered on the ground, though there are no surviving accounts of efforts to retrieve or investigate them. The broadsheet interpreted the occurrence as a divine warning, linking it to themes of impending judgment or apocalypse. For centuries, this interpretation overshadowed any serious attempt to explain the incident scientifically. Modern interpretations. In contemporary times, the Nuremberg event has been revisited by UFO researchers and historians, generating several competing theories. 1. Celestial or atmospheric phenomena. Some skeptics argue that the event may have been caused by natural phenomena, such as a particularly intense meteor shower, sundogs, an atmospheric optical illusion, or an aurora borealis. However, the detailed descriptions of structured, interacting objects make this explanation incomplete. 2. Early astronomical observation. The event coincided with the rise of early modern astronomy. Some suggest the objects might have been misunderstood celestial bodies or rare astronomical events. 3. Extraterrestrial activity. Advocates of UFO theories propose that the event could represent an early mass sighting of extraterrestrial craft, possibly engaged in a conflict or malfunction. The mention of cylindrical motherships and smaller orbs aligns with modern UFO sightings and descriptions. Cultural and historical significance. Regardless of its origin, the Nuremberg event remains one of the most well-documented and visually represented UFO sightings in pre-modern history. It serves as a compelling example of how societies interpret unexplained phenomena through the lens of their cultural and religious beliefs. For the people of 16th century Nuremberg, the event was a terrifying omen, while for modern audiences, it stands as a tantalizing mystery that challenges our understanding of the past and the possible presence of extraterrestrial life. A universe of questions. The stories, artifacts, and phenomena discussed here leave us with more questions than answers. While none of these accounts conclusively prove that extraterrestrial beings have visited Earth, they challenge us to consider the possibilities. Could ancient civilizations have achieved levels of technological and scientific understanding that we have underestimated? Or do these events point to interactions with advanced intelligences from the far reaches of the cosmos? Whatever the truth may be, these mysteries serve as a reminder of humanity's insatiable curiosity and our ongoing quest to understand our place in the universe. Whether through archaeology, astronomy, or sheer imagination, the exploration of these enigmatic events continues to inspire and captivate, inviting us to look deeper into both the heavens above and the history we thought we knew. The answers may lie in the stars, or perhaps hidden in the stories and artifacts left behind by our ancestors.